Welcome to a video by Abron. This is magneticstirrer with hot plate. We have the speed control. Here we can change the speed of the higher or lower. Better use the lowest so that the speed is going on. And this one is the energy regulator, which is for heating. If you keep it on below, it stops. Just listen to the click. Come close and see. Yes, clicks. And then if you keep it on 0 to 330, it is slow heating. 30 to 60, 70, it is faster. 60 to 90 is very fast. 100 is, it does not stop. So better don't use the 100. Always. This is not a thermostat, this is only energy regulator. It will regulate the speed of the heating. It has power cable, is international computer type, and this on off switch is there with the light indicator. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel and abron01@gmail.com and 9416020018. We have got another model which is having the round top or square top, the bigger top, the multiple, and without hot plate also. We have got the without hot plate simple model also available with us. We have got all the different kind of heating instruments, oven, incubator, water baths, digital instruments, and we have got the pH meter, the electronic instrument, pH meter, temperature controlled, the EC meter and conductivity meter, melting point operators. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.